What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I'm out here just enjoying the day in Plano, Texas. And what I'm doing here today is hooking up one of my old customers. They actually have a very outdated system. I was out here about 6 years ago and technology has changed a little bit. So what we're gonna be doing is gutting some of the components, including the television, as well as the receiver, and getting them up to date with the current technology. So I'm gonna take you inside, show you what we're doing, and I'm gonna take you inside and show you what we're doing. Come on. Okay guys, so I just got in the home and what we are doing is unboxing and installing the new 75-inch Q60R. This just came out here in 2019. You can see Sam did a great job of already getting the customer-owned brackets on the back of the TV. We're able to salvage the mount that was up there and put it on the new TV to save a little money. And you can see this mount is a little bit bigger, but that works out perfect because it gives us a little bit of wiggle room. This is the old TV here. You can see we just pulled off the wall. And Grayson is working on checking out our wiring situation. This is the location where the TV is going to be mounted. We have it measured out to where the TV is going to come down to about right here and about 15 inches from the top of the wall plate here. Now, one of the biggest issues is that we have to replace the HDMI cable going to the amplifier. And the amplifier is also outdated, so whenever we upgrade one thing, we have to upgrade it all. So we're going to upgrade the HDMI cable, which hopefully isn't a nightmare. We'll keep you updated about that situation. And then we're going to be using this SR7013 in the closet around the corner. Old school. Check it out, guys. So what we're going to be doing is ripping out pretty much all of this, and we're going to be putting in that one receiver that does have Denon Heos enabled. So what we're going to do is replace this one with the new one, which will support the new 4K technology, as well as power up 2 other zones. It seems to me that we're going to be doing the pool and patio as one zone, or possibly zone 2 and zone 3, or we're going to do the pool and patio with maybe the office or dining room. In the future, they do have the ability to expand off of this with Denon Heos amps so that they can independently control every single room in this house. But as of today, we're just starting slow because this is a big expense. The 7013 is not exactly the cheapest receiver, but it is a good quality receiver that is going to get their system up to date and give them 2 rooms of Heos that they will have the ability to expand off of in the future. So it's a good starting point. We're gonna go and start ripping all this out. All right, we just did like a 3-man fire drill there. We had Sam over here pulling on this side. We had Grayson up here in the attic, the hard job, pulling on the line, and then I was down here in the closet pulling the line, but we got our new HDMI put in, which is one of the hardest parts. Moving along. You ready, Gray? Yep. We're gonna throw the TV up. Yep. About right. All right, here we go. Perfect. You like it like that? No? No, you mean like kind of more like that. Yeah? All right, lean it back towards me. How about that? That's looking better. Let's get a tape measure.
Oh, I didn't know how it was anchored there.
Yeah, no, you should be careful.
We finished up this install, pulled a late night, but the customer is very happy with how things turned out, as well as I am. I'm going to show you guys what we did here today. We have the 75-inch Q60R mounted up on the wall here behind us. Everything turned out really sharp. Take a look. Looks really clean. We were able to salvage that mount that the customer had prior. Have all the wires hidden. Me, Grayson, primarily Grayson up in the attic, worked hard to get that HDMI ran over to the home run location. Brand new 18 gig DHCP 2.2 cable. And I'm going to show you the app interface that we set up. It's Denon Heos, which gives the customer the ability to independently control every single room in their house, as well as we integrated in some of the older devices like the CD player, as well as the cable box and Blu-ray player. So I'm going to show you the closet. All right, here's the closet. Looks like we need a little bit more tape down there, hot glue. But basically, we ripped out the old amp, put in the new amp up here, and it has 3 zones of control. You can see we still do have the speaker selector here, which has the rest of the home. The customer is aware that there's the ability to expand on this and independently control every single room in the house with the Denon Heos amps. What we're doing right now is we have the surround system, or the 4-channel system in the living room, set up with the main amp, and then we have the patio and pool tying off of zone 2, and then the rest of the house tying off of zone 3. We still have the Blu-ray player integrated in. We also added an Apple TV to kind of bring them up to date on the new apps, Netflix, Hulu, all that good jazz, and downloaded some of those for them to get started. And then we still kicked it old school with the CD player, so they can independently select and play this to pretty much any room in the house, depending on how you manipulate the settings. And then also the cable box is hooked up. We have the Pro Control processor up here, which allows them to control all these devices through the wall with radio frequency. So I'm going to show you the iPad and how this actually plays out in real life. All right, check it out, guys. This is the Denon Heos app on the customer's iPad, as well as the Pro Control remote. We had this installed previously and we were able to integrate it into the system. You can see they do have all their devices laid out here on the screen that they can independently select, and it'll automatically do the switching for them. You got the cable box, CD player, Blu-ray, Apple TV, and the distributed audio system. So the distributed audio system is a little bit complex because they don't have the independent zone control yet, but I feel like we did a good job of integrating it in. We have the zone 2, which they can select cable as well as CD and then turn it off and control the volume. So they have the ability to select their older content through the remote system, which is kind of how it was set up before, but there's just more flexibility to it now. So they want to have cable going, they select cable. They want to have the CD routed to a particular room in the house, they select it right here. Now over here in the Heos app, they can independently play their music as well. So I went through a couple scenarios to where they can have like CD going out on the patio, they can have cable going in the living room, and then they could be playing content, say off like Pandora, in another room of the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works. You select a particular source, like Pandora, select a particular song or genre, and it's automatically gonna start playing that song like it just did. You can see you can control the volume right here through the app as well. But if they want to start playing that in another room of the house, say the patio, they can select zone 2. Now it's playing in the main zone as well as zone 2, and you can control the volume right here to zone 2. So if you crank up the patio, not sure if you guys can hear, but it is cranking out there. Let me show you. Can you just open that for me? And can you turn that up a little just so they can hear what's going on? And we're gonna leave the volume controls that were on the wall prior on the wall, and then in the future they can build off of it, or cap them off if they're not going to be used. Now say they wanted to play like the cable in the living room, they can come in right here to cable in the living room, and it'll automatically kick over the cable box in the living room. But at the same time, the patio now is still playing that particular song. So basically, in a nutshell, they can do that throughout the entire home. They can independently select content and they can route it to whichever room they'd like. There's a lot of different variations, and I don't want to bore you guys with it. Now, if you would like to purchase any of these products, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. Keep that in mind. And if you're in the Dallas area, we can come and install it for you. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach,
Grayson,
and Sam
with Dreamedia. Thank you for watching.